It's the show's hero. It's the GOAT. It is the absolute best thing that you could have invested in, and I'm sharing it with you. Let's do it. Welcome back to the channel. Sarah here from Pink Sugar Soapery. Today, I'm going to share with you the 5 absolute best investments that I made for my handmade bath and body product business. Before we start, before I share with you my ultimate go-to products, the things that I use the absolute most, that I would reinvest in a heartbeat, comment down below and let me know what yours is. Okay, let's see if we can match any of those things up. Here they are. Actually, this is 6. I guess I threw in a bonus and forgot about it. The 6 best things that I bought for my business. Number 1, starting off strong, is a website theme that matched my personality. So I'm just gonna go over a little bit, boop, boop. And I'm just gonna like pop a little screen recording over here while I'm chatting about it. Now, I've gone through quite a few variations of my website, different websites using different platforms, kind of getting my message across digitally in different ways. And this website theme has been the absolute best purchase that I have made. It really, truly, I feel like encompasses me and my personality. I love how many different options it has. And you know, actually I should probably say none of this stuff is sponsored. This is just like my true honest feelings. Like all of these brands and whoever don't even know I exist. So I'll link it all down below, but I'm just linking it like purely to help you in the case that it does. Again, back to the website. It just really, I just love it. Like it just, every time I go on there, it is so cute. It's very like pops of color. It's just very me and it suits my personality wonderfully. And I feel like I can really show up and not have to like change anything about myself to show up when showing or being on this version of my website. Next up, this one was also life-changing, but not for the business part of it, but like the product creation part of it. This product is the ultimate game changer. Okay, it's pricey, but it is the ultimate. And that is color lakes for my bath bombs. I'm gonna tell you what, I was at a dead end. I had no idea what to do, how to stop that dreaded ring from coming around the bathtub. I actually had someone place a wholesale order from me quite a bit ago, you know, back basically in the beginning, and contact me afterwards saying the customers were saying it left color rings, which of course it's no big deal. All you had to do is wipe it out. However, that's not something that I want to be known for. I don't want to be known as the bath bomb brand that you have to clean up afterward, right? So none of us want to add extra time or extra steps. That's a quick absolute no, I'm not repurchasing from them again. So what I did find is, it's called sorry, I'm looking at my computer to make sure I say it correctly, Serafina's Coastal Colors. And I know that this is a brand or a website based out of Canada. Again, it'll be linked below. But as I talked about in one of my previous videos, I can't remember which one, but I've talked about this website before. I really, really enjoyed ordering from it. It was so easy. Everything was already automatically, when I got there, put into US dollars. I did pay for shipping. It was a little bit expensive, but it got here very, very quickly. And I'm happy with my purchase, and I would do it again in a heartbeat. Whenever I run out, I'm coming right back to this retailer to get more. I'm just super impressed with them. It has absolutely solved my bath ring around, my color ring around the bathtub problem. It solved that. So things are going wonderfully there. Definitely one of the best things that I have bought to date. Moving right along to number 3, and actually, you know what? In my head, I just realized that I have a 7th one. So I'm gonna just write that down here real quick so I don't forget. All right, next up, I'm gonna put a little clip right here of it. Next up would be actual backdrops for my photos and not a DIY setup. So this has really taken my product photos from like to amazing. I truly love the direction my product photography is going into. These are from Club Backdrops. Again, link it down below, but I just really enjoy them. They took a little bit to get to me, a little bit of time. They come from UK, I'm pretty sure. So they're not like in the United States. So again, it did take a little bit of time, but in my opinion, it was absolutely worth it. They're huge, they're vinyl, so they have like that coating on them, so I can, you know, put my skincare on it and then wipe it clean and it will be fine. I've just, you know, over the past couple months of developing my product photography, it's really truly been a struggle for me when I was working with the DIY kinds. I use, oh my gosh, what did I use? I've used bed sheets, I've used contact paper, I've used vinyl, like rolls of vinyl for shirts. I've used just random things around my house. Like, my product photography has changed so much, and I'm really glad that I'm in the place where I am right now. And making, I think, and in my opinion, the absolute best thing that I did to change my product photography was to buy actual backdrops. Now I have them, now it's all said and done. It's a one-time investment. I don't have to like rig anything up for it to work. It just is because they are doing what they were created to do, not being like a DIY solution. And actually, I just filmed the opposite of this video, the 5 worst things that I invested in, and I did not say this in that video. So here's like a little sneak peek to next week's video. But all of these DIY product photography solutions that I created are one of the worst things that I did in my business. I wish from the very get-go, if I could do it, if I could have a do-over from the very get-go, I would purchase photography backdrops first. That would be first. I would totally avoid all the DIY. You know, now that I've tried it so many different ways, I just have foam board, I've got just all kinds of random things taking up space. They took up a lot of energy, and money. So take it from me, just buy the backdrop from the very beginning. It will be worth it. Okay, next up is a good printer. So I am not at the point where someone is, because of the scale of my business at this time, I am making and printing all of my own labels, which I'm gonna do a whole video on because it took me so long and I tried so many different ways or techniques of making and printing my own labels, and I wanna kind of share that with you guys. I think that that's the top thing that has held me back from growing. But anyway, like I said, that's a video for a couple weeks down the road. This printer has been a fabulous purchase, and I'm so glad I did it. I actually got it at Target. I'll link it, as I said a million times, I'll link it down in the description box below. But this was a really highly reviewed and highly ranked printer for printing pictures. And in my mind, printing pictures is essentially the same thing as printing labels. I was really happy to find this solution and you know, find it as affordable as I did. So I'll give more information about the printer when I film that separate video, but just if you need it quickly, just take a peek at the link below. Next up, coming in at number 5 is a precise scale for measuring ingredients. And originally I thought just like a plain kitchen scale would work, so I did get this one right here, but it's not as precise as I prefer it to be, especially when following other people's recipes in order to develop your own. It's really tricky when they're like, you need 5.25 grams of whatever it is, but your scale will only do like 5.2. You know, it won't be like exact, which doesn't always matter, but I feel sometimes it truly does. So anyway, yes, a precise scale for your ingredients is an excellent thing, and I'm really glad I have one now. There's not really much else to say. I feel like the other things, they had a lot to expand on, but that's just kind of, it is what it is. I really like having a precise scale for measuring ingredients. Number 6, here's your first bonus, is pouring cups or pouring containers with a thin spout. So yes, we have glass measuring cups, we've got this, we've got regular bowls, we can do whatever with whatever we have. Of course, it's always a great place to start. But I got measuring cups with a very thin pouring spout, and I am thrilled to have them. They fit inside of bottles, jars, molds, whatever size you have. It doesn't matter. I just really appreciate these ones that I have because I think they've helped me save a lot of time and a lot of headache and energy. So all of those things are excellent to save. And finally, now this one is not a one-time purchase. Everything else that I talked about was a one-time purchase, except like the bath bomb color lakes, because those eventually, you know, as I run out, I'll need to get more. But this is actually a recurring monthly subscription, I guess is what you would call it. And that is to Canva Pro. Canva Pro is truly life-changing. So even before I had my handmade business, I was always using Canva, like the regular Canva, to make worksheets. If you are new here, I'm a teacher. So yes, I was always using Canva in some capacity for at least 5 years. I've had Pro for about a year and a half now. I ended up purchasing a Pro subscription before even starting my handmade business. Again, I was using it for school. It just has so many great things you can do. It has templates, it has ways to repurpose your content. If you're someone who is still kind of trying to figure out something such as the size of label you need, it's really great because you can resize whatever it is that you're creating with just one click. And again, this isn't sponsored or anything. I just really love Canva Pro. My introduction video that I have, like the little typing into the search bar, I made that in Canva. All of the little elements that I add to my videos, like the subscribe and this and that, those are all made in Canva. It just truly is something that I love and have thought about canceling many a times. It's only like $13 a month? It's less than $15 a month. And I've thought about canceling it before, but I just love it so much I can't. So anywho, that was it. That was the bonus, the last bonus on my list today of the 5 best things that I have purchased for my handmade business so far. If you didn't leave the comment at the beginning of the video, definitely do so now. Tell me, what did you buy that you absolutely love? Then I want you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can receive the alert when I post the flip to this video next Sunday at 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, the 5 worst things that I have invested in for my business thus far. And it's time for me to go. Check me out on TikTok if you haven't already. See my fragrance review, my fragrance oil review series at Pink Sugar Soapery, and I will see you next week.